आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आपकी आवाज़, विज्ञान की आवाज़, की आवाज़।
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we bring you a podcast series on STEM popularization, science, technology, engineering, mathematics and medicine, supported and catalyzed by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Government of India. This program is produced by Media for Community Foundation. Creative content and technical support is given by Purvasha Banerjee and Shushanto Das.
एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आपकी आवाज़, विज्ञान की आवाज़, की आवाज़, की आवाज़।
Indian Statistical Institute is a public university which is recognized as an institute of national importance. It grew out of the statistical laboratory set up by Prashanto Chandra Mohananobish in Presidency College, Kolkata. Established in 1931, this unique institution of India is one of the oldest institutions focused on statistics. Primary activities of ISI are research and training of statistics, development of theoretical statistics and its applications in various natural and social sciences. We welcome Professor Tridib Kumar Mondal with us. He is an assistant professor in the Geological Studies Unit in Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Sir shares his knowledge and experience as a structural geologist. Sir talks about gold mineralization as one of his areas of research.
I am Dr. Tridib Kumar Mondal, Assistant Professor, presently associated in the Geological Studies Unit, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. I am working on the deforming crust. Basically, I am a structural geologist. One of my research areas is gold mineralization. So basically, it's a hydrothermal mineralization. Now, let me talk about what is hydrothermal mineralization. So it's basically related to the hydrothermal fluid. Now, what is hydrothermal fluid? It's a fluid that comes from the earth. So it's a hot fluid, and gold mineralization is directly related to this kind of hydrothermal fluid. Not only gold, there are many other minerals, but today particularly I'll be talking on this gold mineralization. Before that, let me talk about two things. One, the India historically is rich with this gold mineralization. And if we talk about the kings or queens, they also acquired lots of gold. Even the Britishers, they took away a lot of golds from India. But we have to find out where these golds come. We have to look the area where we can get the gold. So this gold particularly, the gold potential fluids, they are actually channelized in a particular way. And how they are channelized? They are channelized with a particular zone we call the fracture zone or any network of the fractures. Now, with this gold mineralization, there is a crucial term called the fault valve action. What is it? Let's say if you have a fluid chamber, and when the fluid comes into that chamber, it creates a fluid pressure within this chamber, and after a permissible limit, what happens? This fluid can exert or can rupture the earth crust. So crust is the upper part of the earth, and it can flow in every direction. The fluid can flow in every direction, and it will be crystallized. as soon as it crystallizes, it will create a low pressure beneath it. Again, the fluid pressure will build up. So this is just like you have a very high fluid pressure particular region, then you have the sudden pressure drop, then again the fluid pressure builds up. So this is how the gold actually, the forms are deposited. A very good example is from the Chitradurga schist belt. It's a part of South India. It's just 200 kilometers towards north from Bangalore. It's a very good potential area for gold mineralization. And that today's economy is mostly dependent on the gold. Now, it's very much important to understand where we can get the gold. So we are searching different areas where we are searching what are the mechanism, how we can extract or exploit this gold from the earth. So this includes my research.
Professor Mondal talks about research-industry interface as an extension of his research.
There are many industries, but before that, I would like to tell you that Geological Survey of India, they are also working very good work, and there are many collaborators who are working with me. And there are many companies, for example, RMMPL, they are working on the Gadag Gold project. So they are also working with this gold mineralization. But as they are, industry, they are mostly interested in, exploiting the gold or extracting the gold. But as a researcher, what we are doing, we're understanding the mechanism of this gold, mechanism of the deposition of this gold. It essentially helps us to understand which are the potential areas or where should we mine for the gold. So this is the thing. Platinum is also related to this hydrothermal mineralization, but mostly gold are directly related to this hydrothermal, because platinum can form in there are many other way also. But gold is the very important as a hydrothermal mineralization. And one more thing I'd like to add, that is the present day research tells that this gold mineralization probably related to the earthquake or ancient earthquake. So there are many other evidences, particularly found in Australia, the ancient earthquake produced the gold mineralization. So gold mineralization, that fault valve action, what I told earlier, and the earthquake, all they are actually related. The present research suggests also this.
We thank Professor for the valuable insights that he shared with us in this episode.